Good evening to all of you. Welcome to Tilottama Handlooms YouTube page. I am Choitali. Today I am going to show you our premium quality khadi cotton jamdani sarees. All the sarees are hand woven sarees and all the sarees are very premium quality sarees today I am showing, and purely hand woven cotton khadi cotton sarees. And if you like our sarees, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number 7890721706. And if you like our sarees, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notifications. And we are doing wholesale also. So if you like to take the wholesale, then you can contact the same number 7890721706. So let's start to see our sarees today. And this is the first saree of this episode, and this is the pure khadi cotton saree, hand woven saree, and this is a khadi jamdani actually, and this color is dark grey. Then the both side border is the hand woven pink colored thread on it, and all over the saree have the soft pink buttas all over the saree going through like this. This is the pallu. This is the big kolka motifs in the pallu, and blouse piece is in running. It's running grey, and I am giving you the close look of the saree work. See, this is the border design. All the designs are hand woven, and the buttas you can see it's soft pink color buttas, and the saree color is dark grey, and this is the pallu work. All these work are hand woven. So this is the saree look. Jamdani saree, premium quality khadi cotton jamdani saree, and this saree price is 3550. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number 7890721706. This is another khadi cotton jamdani saree. This is the saree is soft. It's white color body with the black buttas, and this is the ornamental design. Both side border has very ornamental design, hand woven design, and this is the big kolka motifs in the pallu, and this blouse piece also is running. This is the running blouse piece. Now I am giving you the close look of the work. You can check the saree work. This saree, all the saree work you are seeing is the hand woven designs, and now you will see the close look of the borders and buttas. This is the border design, and red small meenakari work in the borders, and small beautiful ornamental buttas in the body, all over the body going through like the same way. This is very premium quality khadi cotton saree and hand woven sarees. This saree price is also 3550. Saree, this saree has no jamdani work but sequence weaving border. Both sides have the sequence weaving. I am giving you the close look of this saree, and this saree is not black, it's dark midnight blue. It's dark blue actually, navy blue you can say. This saree dark navy blue, and the full saree the plain, and both side border is very elegant also, is geometric, and it has a 3-line 4-line borders in silver zari. I am showing you the look. See, the 4 lines border in the silver zari, and the 4-line borders in the gold zari, and the sequence weaving border. See the sequence. This is the sequence weaving borders. Both sides have the same sequence weaving border, and body is full plain. This is, you can check right now the actual color. This is dark navy blue color, and full saree going through like the same way, very elegant one. And this is the pallu. See, this is the pallu. This is the triangle design in the pallu in sequence weaving. Okay, so this is the saree look, and the blouse piece is running. This saree price is 2250 with free shipping all over India. All these sarees which I am showing right now, all the sarees are free shipping all over India. And if you like to book 3 sarees from this episode, then you will get flat 10% discount in total bill with free shipping. So this is the saree look. If you like, please take a screenshot. This is another saree, another khadi cotton jamdani saree. This is the body color is red, and both side border is floral motifs in the hand woven designs. Both side border with the green with yellow color combination border, and all over the body has the yellow with the green multicolored buttas all over the saree. And this is the pallu. This is the pallu. It's dark red, and this is the running blouse. this is the running blouse. Now I am giving you the close look of the pallu design. All the design you will see right now, this is the hand woven design. Okay, this is the pallu work you are seeing right now. And now see the border design. See, this is the border design and buta all over the sari. All these work are not printed one, all these work are hand woven design. So sometimes people are saying it is printed or not. So I am giving you the close look to see the work is how defined it is. So all these work are hand woven designs, not the printed one. So this is sari, this is the sari look, and this sari price is 3,250. This is another khadi cotton jamdani sari. The base color is black and the both side border has the pink with the orange color combination, and it has also the same weaving work on the both side borders and small multicolor butas with the orange with the pink color combination, multicolor butas all over the sari. Very elegant one, also a very soft one. All the saris are today I am showing without starch cotton saris. All the sari going through like the same way. This is the pallu and blouse piece is in running. Now I am going to show you the close look of the pallu. How beautiful the work is. The work you will see right now, all the work is the hand woven work. This is the pallu design, and now I am giving you the close look of the body. This is the border part of the design, and this is you are seeing right now butas. This is the multicolor butas, two colored butas all over the sari. Okay, and running blouse also. This sari price is also 3,250. This is another sari with the same motif, same designs. This is another color of khadi jamdani sari. This color is off-white, base color is light cream color. It's not the white one. Actually, it's light off-white cream color base, and both side border is in pink with the orange color combination. Same work and same butas all over the sari, small butas with the pink and orange color combination buta, and border also have the same color combination, pink with orange. And this is the pallu design. This is the pallu, and this is the blouse. It's a running blouse piece. So after dripping, it's look like this. This sari price also 3,250. And if you would like to book 3 saris, then you will get flat 10% discount in total bill with free shipping all over India. So this is the sari look, and now I am going to show you the close look of the border design. This is the border design and butas. Okay, and this is the pallu work. As I am mentioning that all these work are hand woven work. There is no machine work, not powerloom saris. All these are hand woven khadi jamdani sari. So this is the look of the sari. If you like to take the sari, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us 7890721706. And if you like our saris, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notifications. This is another color of this khadi jamdani sari. This color is bluish grey. This is very uncommon color, and this is a bluish grey actually. It's look like greyish mauve also. So this in the border design of the sari in the sea green with the pink color combination. Very unique and unusual color combination, but looking very elegant. Same 2 colors border butas all over the sari going through, and this is the pallu. Beautiful pallu, and it's a running blouse piece. Now I am going to show you the close look of the border design. This is the border work. Sorry, this is the pallu work. All these are hand woven pallu work, and now you check the borders. This is the border and butas, and 2 color pink with the sea green butas all over the sari. Very elegant color combination. This sari price is also 3,250. And if you like to purchase this sari, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. And one more thing, if you like to purchase 3 saris together from this episode, then you will get flat 10% discount in total bill with free shipping all over India. So this is the sari look. This is our next sari. The body color, base color is cream color. Actually, it's butter color, you can see also. It's butter color with the traditional red border It's Bengali sari, traditional red border, and the body have this small buttas with the red and black color combination buttas. Very traditional color combination, unique one also. And this is the pallu design. This is the pallu design. This is the cotton jamdani sari, and this sari price is also 2550. This sari price 2550. This sari also a running blouse piece. This is the running blouse piece, and this is the pallu. Right now the pallu work, all these work are hand woven work. And now show you the borders and buttas. This is the border design, and small black meenakari work in the border, and all over the body have the small buttas with red and black color combination. This is the cotton jamdani sari, and this sari price is 2550. Sari, this is cotton one. It's not khadi, it's cotton one. It's check weaving all over the big check weaving borders, and this is the pallu. It's pallu, and this is the running blouse piece in black. So this is the sari look. After draping, it's look like this, very smart and elegant one. There is no separate borders, all over the sari the same checks pattern going through like this. This sari price is 1750. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot. For next sari, it is the cotton handloom sari. It has the Ganga Yamuna border. One side border, lower side border is in ink blue, and upper side border is two color border, pink with a yellow color combination border. And the body has its own texture, weaving texture on it. If I am giving you the close look, you are seeing that there is a small texture, weaving texture on it all over the sari. This is the grey border, sorry, this is the grey pallu, and this is the grey blouse piece. So after draping, it's look like this. Now I am going to show you the close look of the body texture. If you can see this, this is the small weaving texture on the body. All these sarees are handloom sarees. There is no powerloom product. Today I am showing all the sarees are handloom sarees, hand woven cotton jamdani, cotton khadi jamdani today I am showing. Particularly this saree is in cotton jamdani saree, cotton handloom saree, and this saree price is 1750 with free shipping all over India. This is the last saree of this episode. I think this is the best saree of this episode. This is the premium quality khadi jamdani saree, and this is the black red combination jamdani. It's very elegant one. Its upper side border is a small red border, you can see, and lower side border is this card motif on it, and the gold zari weaving border in the lower side border. Very elegant looking saree. This is the pallu. This is a small pallu with a zari texture weaving on it. I am giving you the close look of the lotus motifs. This is the pallu, small pallu, and the blouse piece is running in black, and all over the saree is looking like this, very elegant one. And this is the lower side border. After dripping, it's look like this. After draping, it's look like very elegant one, and this saree price is 3550. Thank you so much to watching our video till end. If you like our sarees, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. And if you like the sarees, if you like the saree which I am showing today, then you can just take the screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number is given in the screen also. It's 7890721706. We are doing wholesale also. So if you like to take the sarees in wholesale basis, then you can contact the same number. So that's all for today. Happy shopping with us. Bye bye.